everybody, I'm here today to show you 5 ways to turn your car around on a street. Right now I'm on a side street and I'm going to be going over 5 simple ways that you can actually turn your car around while you're driving on a street just like this. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to go ahead and move forward and I'll tell you the first way. So let's move forward. Now the first way that I'm going to be showing you is actually to turn around in an intersection. So if you're on a side street and you approach an intersection and you need to turn your car around, if there's no other traffic, you can do it. Now I would recommend checking about the legalities where you live. You should just take a look at whether or not you're allowed to do this legally, sort of like make a U-turn in an intersection where you live. It all depends where you live, but make sure that you're allowed to do it before you go ahead and proceed. So the first one is make a U-turn in an intersection, and I'm going to show you right here how I'm going to do that. So let's go ahead. We're going to make a U-turn in this intersection. So to make this U-turn, I'm coming to a complete stop. I'm checking if anyone's around. There's no traffic. So I'm going to put my right signal on because I'm veering to the right. Then I'm going to put my left signal on and I'm going to turn around just like this. And as you can see, I did a U-turn in that intersection, okay? That is the first way. Now the second way, I'm actually going to just be explaining. I'm not going to show you because the street is too small. And the second way is to do a U-turn without the intersection. So if the street was large enough for me to do a U-turn, I would go ahead and proceed to do it, but it's too small, it's too narrow, so I'm just going to explain it. To do a U-turn without an intersection is very straightforward. Make sure, obviously, like I said, that it's legal to do it. Pull over to the side, check for traffic, do all of your safety checks, mirrors, blind spot, signal, check everything, and then make your U-turn. It's very simple. You basically turn your wheel and turn around on the street. It's simple and straightforward. I'm not going to do a tutorial for it because I've done many tutorials for it already. The third way is driving forward into a driveway. So right now, here's a driveway. I'm going to put my left turn signal on, check my mirror's blind spot, and I'm driving forward into a driveway. Straightening the wheel out, I'm now in the driveway, and now I'm going to reverse out of the driveway to the other direction, just like that, and now I'm going to drive forward, and guess what? I've turned around on the street using a forward in a driveway method. That's the third way. Now the fourth way is actually reversing in a driveway. So check this out. To reverse in a driveway, I'm putting my signal on to pull over, checking my blind spots and mirrors to make sure there's no traffic. I'm reversing into a driveway right now. So I'm reversing into this driveway, okay? Straightening out, and then I'm going to pull forward out of the driveway. That's the fourth method, reversing in a driveway. And last but not least, the fifth method for turning around on a street is doing a 3-point turn. So check this out. 3-point turn, I put my right turn signal on, I'm pulling over to the right side of the road, come to a complete stop, left turn signal, mirrors, blind spots, nobody, we're good to go. Wheel all the way to the left, come to a complete stop, reverse, wheel all the way to the right, making sure that we're safe, okay? Drive, wheel all the way to the left, and guess what? We made a 3-point turn. We've turned the car around on a side street, on a street, and it's literally that simple. In this video, I've gone over 5 ways to turn a car around on a street. It's very simple. These 5 methods will allow you to turn your car around on a street. Now, once again, please make sure that it's legal to do these wherever you live. Don't just go and do them. Check out the legalities. What is required for you to turn your car around on a street? Can you use these methods or do you have to use another one? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other ways to turn a car around on a street? And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.